So I'm Jemis Viradiya. I represent Enclifestyle. We are one of the largest private label manufacturer for the nail polish in India. We are currently based in Surat, Gujarat, and we have one of the largest manufacturing unit for the nail polish in India. So we are expanding. Right now, we are expanding to our current capacity to 4 times. So we are very much excited that we can have the new connection here, and that will utilize our manufacturing unit. So last year we met with the MedPlus, and we have grown so much in entire 1 year that this time we have been awarded with the Best Collaborative Manufacturer and Brand Award. So that was very exciting thing for us. So every time it amazes us. Okay, we are much excited. Oh, this time this has happened. So every time there is something new from CMPL. So that is a very good thing. This were CMPL has gone off with the sustainability. So that was the main part that I affected, and the pledge that yesterday has been done. So it was very nice. I thought that we have to do something for the society as well, and that has been taken care this time.